Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. Possibly, I don't know. I'm just so used to saying it every time that I keep saying it. So the reason that we promote the $25 business is because it's affiliate program. It's essentially the best affiliate program I ever seen. 80% recurring commissions. That means you get paid 80% every single month, guys. So even if you don't use this method to promote it, it is still the best product to promote, guys. So if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, what we're going to do is look at our results. So looks like we did get a sale yesterday. We're just going to refresh the page here to make sure it's real. I want to make sure you guys understand that it's real. So I refresh it right in front of you. Here we go. All right, looks like we did get a sale yesterday.
Nice.
Fantastic. All right, so that's really good. So it really started picking up a little bit there. You see what I'm saying? Started picking up. So it's doing pretty well for me, guys. Working pretty well for me. So what we're gonna do now is get the results here. Get you your links, so to speak, so you can get to doing this as well. Now, before I show you how to get the links, I'm gonna show you the link that I like to use real quick since I'm on the page still. This is the link that I like to use. I tried a couple of links. This one worked the best for me, guys. You could try other links if you want, but this is the one that works for me. All right, for promotion. Anyway, what I want you guys to do is click on my description. You're gonna see two links, step 1, step 2. Click on step 1. It's gonna take you to a page that looks something like this. Now on this page here, it's basically the sales letter for the $25 business. Talks about what it is, what it does, blah blah blah, right? Basically, long story short, it's a funnel builder. It's a pretty good funnel builder for $25 per month. All right, it's a pretty good funnel builder, and it's very easy to use and all this and that. So it's actually a really good product if you want to use it. But that's not the reason that we're promoting it. We're promoting it because of its affiliate program, which is fantastic. Make $20 commissions or in $100 month. Both of these are monthly, so you can make $120 off of each customer, guys. They get both of the products. So essentially what you want to do is click on yes I want in, right? And then you just put in your basic information, get down here and get the product. You gotta have the product to promote it. All right, so one cool thing that you can do is get HBA Premium. Now HBA Premium is training on like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook ads, whatever it may be you like promoting. You know, it has some information on how what's working for the people inside that promote this product. It gets some information from them and show you what's working. They probably won't show you exactly the method that they use, but they showing you what's working for them and showing you how to implement that as well, you know, and teach you how to do that as well, teach you how to promote this product as well, basically, with those methods, if you want to use those methods. Also, it has an AI content creation machine, help you write articles and whatever and whatnot. So that's pretty good. And yeah, man, the coolest thing about this though, and the reason that we actually want this, is because technically own this product for 2 weeks. And if you technically own the product for 2 weeks, that means you can get sales off the product for 2 weeks. So if you manage to get sales off the product in the first 2 weeks of promoting this product, you keep that $100 even though you ain't got the product yet. Fantastic deal. So yeah, you get that. Now, what I'm gonna show you guys is the absolute easiest way to promote this product. What's been working for me. I'm still testing it out and seeing what works best and stuff, but it's working for me for extra money. Like, it's been working for me for real, and pay a couple bills. So this is what's working for me. Is My Lead Gen Secrets. You go to my second link there in the description, you click on that, it takes you to My Lead Gen Secrets, right? What is My Lead Gen Secrets? Get 100 leads a day. You can email once per day, guys. So we're gonna click on the mailing system once we get in. You can check up your leads and stuff like that if you want more information on them, but I tend to not show that, guys. because you know it's leads. You don't really want to spread information like that. So anyway, we're gonna use we're gonna use an email that I've used myself, right? So we're just gonna go down here. We're gonna go to my list here, and we're just gonna go down to the emails. Now these emails is something that I've written myself, guys. I've written these emails myself. And I thought to myself, I actually wrote these emails for a different product to promote, but they worked really well in this system. So I just changed the product itself to this $25 business, because the product I was promoting is nowhere near as good as this one. Like the product that I was promoting before. You know what's funny? The product that I was promoting before was the product I was promoting for was, I think it was Saving Global or something like that. And at the time, I thought it was a real good deal to promote the product. Until I found this $25 business. This is just insane. This is an insane affiliate program here. So the other program, you needed 4 people in the system before you start making money. Yeah. Uh-oh, my bad. I picked that in the wrong spot. I'm so sorry. Correctly real quick. Boom, make it go. This. Oh, that. You know what? That's a nice slide. I feel like too much is bold. Dude. Nice slide. Boom. All right, that looks pretty good. Now we got to copy the header. I messed up there. That. Copy in my new here, one that I've written. This is one I've written it. I already talked about that. But anyway, all right. So we're gonna hit perfect timing. That's gonna send an email around town that people check emails there. So what's cool about this is that when you say you check your emails around 8 o'clock in the morning, it'll send the email around 8 o'clock in the morning. So it's a better chance you getting it on the top and you checking it instead of just kind of deleting all your emails, because you know some people just delete them all. I know I do sometimes. Anyway, you want to go to preview here, and what we're going to preview for is to make sure the link works. Just want to check the link. It does work. Now, one more reason, if you guys are interested in copying this email, that's perfectly fine. I do not mind. You copy this email if you want. Really cool, not a big deal. So just pause the video at the spots and copy, all right? So that's all there is to it. We're gonna send an email and we are done, guys. That's all there is to it. Now, this is the easiest way to make money that I found. But if you want a more effective way, what I personally would do to make this more effective, I would make shorts: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Shorts on all 3 sites. Post them all 3 at least once a day. And you know, whatever you want it to be, make sure you post at least once a day. Have the link go to this $25 business. something go viral, you good forever, man. That's all I want to say. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you next time. Peace.